Okay, this is a newly built Salamander TKL, built with Zealios V2 67G springs, lubed with 3204 from Tribosys. It's running, I can't remember the name of the stabilizer. It's a custom-made stabilizer, screws through the board. Carbon fiber plate, Hineybush H87A PCB, and then we're running the PBT Slate keycaps on it right now, except for the space bar, because the PBT Slate space bar is slightly mismade and doesn't quite fit. So I'm running a space bar off of a different set. I'm going to run through the 10 fast fingers typing test and capture the sound quality using the iPhone XS camera and microphone. "83 words per minute, 99.76 accuracy, 76 correct words, 0 wrong words. 415 keystrokes total." Thanks for watching.